Okay, never mind. Here's the thing. Oh, I didn't even introduce myself. Hey, what's up you guys? It's your girl Apricot, however you like to pronounce it, and today we are back with a different type of video that I haven't really a couple of weeks ago actually. I had this great impulsion to bleach my hair. I wanted to bleach my whole bangs, but I didn't have any bleach on hand. I just had developer, thank goodness. But I have thought about it a little bit more, and I am gonna actually just bleach half of my bangs. I don't know if I'm gonna like it, so I wanted to bleach half of it first to just get a feel for it. I've actually dyed my hair before, like a couple times. Your girl went teal, red, purple, I think that was actually it. I think I only went 3 colors, and eventually I just let it fade out to blonde. I really liked that blonde face, honestly, but my hair was just fried at that point. It had been 2 years, I think, of me just dyeing my hair. After all the blonde grew out, I decided to just cut it this short. It's been 2 years and this is where we're at now. I watched enough YouTube tutorials to get the gist of it. Yeah, I am kind of nervous, so let's go ahead and show y'all what I have with me right now. So I picked up 30 volume developer. I got these little baby bottles because literally Sally's was all out of everything and anything related to bleaching your hair, including the L'Oreal, I forgot which one it was, but a blue packet. And the worker told me that this is basically the same thing. The only difference is this is a white bleach, so it's a white powder. So what I understand is that blue powder actually is kind of like a toner in and of itself. We'll see how that goes. I'm pretty sure it's a 1:2 ratio. I did get some Shimmer Light shampoo, which is just purple shampoo again to tone it down. As a backup, I did get this Arctic Fox Virgin Pink hair dye because I do want to dye my bangs baby pink eventually, so if it all fails then I can just cover up my mistakes with pink dye. Then I have a little scale and then a little just plastic tub. I did have to change some of the items that I'm using, such as the bleach. It's not the blue bleach, and then I don't have any toner. I just have the purple shampoo, which can turn my hair purple or silver. So yeah, I'm more excited than nervous, honestly. I think I'm gonna take it right up to my ear, and then it does go all the way down. So right now I'm gonna weigh out the bleach and developer. I don't know if I should use the whole pack. I think I'll start off with half a pack and see how much that'll give me, because again, it's only my bangs and my frame. We're gonna do half an ounce. Oh, it's blue. It is blue. 1/4, 3/8, 1/2. Okay. I don't know if we can do a little bit more. Okay, I'm gonna leave it. I'm not gonna push it. So I'm gonna do 1 ounce developer. 1/4, 3/8. We went a little bit over, but that's okay. Just gonna mix this. This is pretty strong, so please do this in a ventilated area. I have my windows open. I think this should be enough, or maybe not. I'm actually gonna do the full packet now that I'm kind of thinking about it. I'm not a professional hairstylist or a colorist. I am just an idiot. I'm gonna start with the longer strands. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't want to act like I know what I'm doing. Alright, so I'm not gonna start at the root yet. So just gonna go ahead and do it. Okay, well that wasn't like perfect, but So I did those two, and now I'm gonna go ahead and move on to these pieces. Sorry if this is cringe, I literally can't see what I'm doing. Now we have the last piece, which is the front piece here. I think I'm gonna wait about 30-ish minutes, but I will check in every 10 minutes just to see how it's lifting. I can already see it starting to lift. It's definitely a lot more difficult than it looks like on the videos, so it takes a lot of patience. I will check in with you guys whenever I do, and we'll see the process. It's been 20 minutes since this one has finished, so I'm gonna go ahead and check out how it's doing. It still looks kind of like brownish blonde, so I don't think it's completely lifted all the way. How did I hold this? Okay. So I'm just gonna check it out. Wow, she's a little patchy. That's cool. So I'm actually gonna ditch these, the foil, because I don't know how to use it. This is so cool. But yeah, she is a little patchy. It's okay, it's expected. So let's check out how this one's doing. Oh, this one's doing the same. I'm actually really excited. Wow. Wow. I'm so excited right now. You guys have no idea. I don't even know why I'm so excited, but I am. I don't even know if this looks good, but it's so freaking cool just to see this transformation. I think I'm actually gonna go ahead and start on the roots on this side. And then I did like put a headband on, so it's a little easier. Should I bleach my sideburns? This could have gone one of two ways. Either I would have experienced like a breakdown because I suck, or it would have gone really well. I'm not sure it's going super well, but I'm excited. So better than a breakdown. So let's go ahead and check out how these are doing. Nice, nice, nice. Oh yeah, real patchy. Look at this. I totally missed those spots. Oh yeah, this is my bangs. This looks kind of crazy, honestly, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let this sit. I'm excited. Is it gonna look good? I have no idea, but I'm excited. It looks super freaking yellow in the viewfinder, but it's a little more toned down in person. Obviously we can see that I missed some spots like right here and then in the front here. I think this is so cool regardless. It's so weird. It looks like I don't even have a hairline. It's amazing. Yeah, I'm gonna have to bleach it again. But this is so cool, y'all. Like, I look freaking crazy for sure. Don't worry, I know. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and catch y'all tomorrow. I really want to bleach it again right now, but I shouldn't. So yeah. Bye guys. Okay guys, so it is day 2, so it's the next day. I'm gonna go in with a second bleaching session. So I already parted my hair. As y'all can see, this is the color that stayed. I am gonna be adding another little piece to the blonde just because I felt like I did a pretty small piece and it's just gonna get lost in my dark hair. It still looks really, really freaking yellow on camera. And maybe I'm in denial. That's really how it looks in person. I'm gonna dye this piece first, and then I'm gonna go ahead and go in with these bits. I don't know how to
Are you doing it already?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Are you living through me?
Yeah. My hair could not. My hair would die. No, my hair did die. I'm kind of tempted to bleach my hair now.
No. It's just like
My hair would die.
finding like the right tone of blonde.
My hair would die.
Hey guys, so my camera died and it is a couple hours later actually. So this is how my hair came out. Still looks kind of yellow in the camera, but it's actually gotten way lighter, especially the first parts that I did. And I did add that little chunk that you guys saw. It definitely adds a lot more to the front now. But it is still a little thinned out towards the bottom. It does get a little lost. But you know, it is what it is. So I think the next step is actually toning the yellow out. I'm not sure when I'm gonna be able to do that because the Sally that I went to was sold out of toners that I wanted. This is like a really bad angle. I'm so sorry. It might be a little bit of a struggle trying to find toners. Maybe in a couple days it will probably change color, but this is what it's looking like right now. I'm really happy with it. The initial excitement has worn down. I think I just want to tone it so that it can look good. But I'm really excited to like style it and do my makeup and see like the full look. I think this is the coolest thing I've done with my hair because it's just it's different from what I'm used to, obviously. The bottom parts are way lighter. That was today's little addition. I shall see you when I see you. Bye bye.